right, let's do this. Class.
Yes.
Now, for all those shiny, happy faces that have made it here today and they're not on their phone, you guys are paying attention because you got the notes, you're ready to go, everything's in your notebook, right? Did you guys remember update your table of contents too? Okay, so as we do this, I've been asking you, a little bit here and there, here and there. So table of contents is going to be another big one. Okay, so the dates for all these things that we do this. So we're starting it, so today's date is going to be 7.3. So this notebook page is going to be 15, right? Okay, so with this, system linear equations in two variables. System linear equation and their solutions. Two linear equations called a system of linear equations. System linear or linear system. A solution to a system of linear equation in two variables is an order pair that satisfies both equations in the systems. Now, what that says is you're going to get an answer. You got linear. What does linear mean? A line. So you have two of them. So what do you think those two lines are going to do? They're going to intersect. They're going to intersect. Now, at the point that they intersect is going to be that singular point. That's going to be solution. That's going to be the answer. So in between where these two lines cross is going to be a single point. And that's going to be the solution that we're looking for here. Okay? Determining whether an ordered pair is a solution of a system. Determine whether 1, 2 is a solution of the system. Now, what is the 1 in that 1, 2 represent? Say it again. It's the x, isn't it? Is everyone following? Everyone tracking? Did I lose everyone? Okay. Everyone just get distracted by the squirrel that was sitting there? Squirrel? You guys didn't watch the movie up, did you? Is that like too far before your time? Squirrel? Anyway, all right. I'm trying. Come on now. Try to make this interesting. Anyway, so the x is 2. I'm sorry, the x is 1. So what am I going to replace the x with? 1. The y value is what? 2. So what I'm going to replace the y value with? So let's go ahead and do that. So it's going to look to see. So I get 2 parentheses. So this first one is going to be 1 minus 3. And the y value is 2. Does that equal negative 4? Now, for those people that are trying to do the math, this piece right here is what you would put in the calculator. And you're testing to see if it's going to be equal to negative 4. So, I get 2 minus 6 equals negative 4. So guess what? That is true. That's good. Check mark right there. So that one does work. Now let's do it again for the bottom one. I'm going to change colors because why not? So 2 times 1 plus 2, is that equal to positive 4? Let's see. I get 1 times 2 is 2 plus 2 equals positive 4. So is that true? Yes, it is. So is that a solution? Yes, it is. It is a solution. So it is a solution for both of them, and it makes both of them true. Now, I am going to show you people on the calculator, because this is probably where you're going to end up doing a lot of the work to check your answers here. So I'm going to go to calculator, documents. Now, Scratchpad. Now, we haven't done much of this before, so we need to go to the graphing part of Scratchpad. Okay? So now that we're there, I want to enter my calculator. I want to enter in my calculator, but I don't want it to be f of x. Because f of x is like saying y equals. On my problems, y equals, say no. No, so I'm going to put this right here. I'm going to change it to a relation. So you just back arrow. So once you get that open right there, and you back arrow, and then it changes relation. So it'd be 2x minus 3y equals negative 4. There we go. So these calculators are so smart, it could actually graph it just using standard notation, the standard form. All the other calculators, the AE force and all that other stuff, you can't really graph using a standard form. Now, I'm going to do it again, but I'm going to do it again for that second one. So to enter another graph, I hit tab. Right here on the left, I hit tab. Dang it, get off there. Tab. And so now it says relation 2. Now it's going to be 2x plus y equals positive 4. Is anyone having trouble getting to this part? Anyone else need some help? Good. Good. Master, if you're good, you just sit there. Okay, so you hit back arrow right here. You back arrow this and it opens this up. So we're doing what? What's it called? Relations. Okay? Now you can enter it in. Now you can enter it in just as is. Okay, do that. Do it. Do it! Okay, because it says times. So let's change it back. So I'm going to use this one. Okay. There you go. Now we got to do it again for that first one. The first one. Okay. Anyone else? All right. So hopefully you guys actually find this pretty neat. So now the red line and the blue line right here. So the solution to this is where these two lines intersect, right? So let's see. So I'm going to tell my calculator to menu. Analyze. What do I want to analyze? Are you guys writing down these steps on this? Because I want my calculator to menu, analyze, and what do you think I'm going to analyze here? Intersection. Very good. So please put those steps on there. Please write it down so you don't forget. Who over here is giving me dirty looks? I saw that dirty look. So and do the intersection. So that's going to be my option 4 here. And this is what it does. So it says lower bound. So what you're going to do is you're going to create a little area that you know it's right here, right? So I'm going to do lower bound. Now lower bound means to the left of wherever it's intersecting. And then upper bound means to the right of where it's intersecting. Highlight it and look, there it is. Is that my solution? Yes, it is. Is that, hopefully you guys are finding this pretty simple here. So a lot of the calculator stuff is going to be helpful here. We have to do some of it by hand, but the checking it and all that other stuff is going to be, yes, this is way easier. All right. So I am going to do this and dang it. I know there is a way to capture page. There we go. And I am going to put this on the next slide. There we go. So for those people following along at home, you can see it right here. Now this next one, okay, solve a linear system by graphing. Isn't that what we just did? Say yes. Yeah, that's exactly what we just did. That's why I did it the first way, showed on the calculator, and now we're going to do it exactly just by the calculator, how they say. For a system with one solution, the coordinates of the point intersection of the lines is the system of the solution. Okay, what that means is, if it is a system, it has a solution, and my solution is one point. One x, one y. One singular point where they're going to cross. Now, guess what? You guys are going to do this one right now using the same steps you just did on your calculator. Same steps that you did on the calculator. So what I'm going to have you people do right now, let's do this. I'm going to go doc B, because I want you starting from the beginning. Doc B. Now from doc B, everything is cleared off now, right? Okay, so now how do I get to my graph? Scratch pad one more time, right? Now, am I entering a function? Say no. No, I'm not entering a function. What am I entering up here? A relation. Now to get to the relation, what do I have to do right here? Just back arrow, right? I hit back arrow. And my relation, which is going to be option 6 here. Now, there you go. I have it set up here for you. So now I would like everyone right now doing this problem. So everyone's doing this problem. It's on your notes. So you can see the equation. It's on your notes. Alrighty, so let's go through. Now, I'm going to go through and do it on mine now so everyone can see. So this one is going to be, what was it? 2x, 2x, no, wait, sorry, wrong one. X plus 2y equals 2. And hit tab. I open up another one. I get x minus 2y equals 6. Enter. And look, I have nice pretty lines. They're crossing right there. So menu, analyze, intersection. There we go. And look, and when I came around, looks like everyone actually did get the answer of 4, -1. So my solution on that one is going to be, there we go. And I am going to make sure I insert page, capture my screenshot. There we go. So I have my graph here in my notes. Now, we're going to stop right here on this. Okay. So we can do more, but I want to get you guys started so you have some time with the calculator to be able to do the problems. So we'll stop right here and we'll pick this up on Tuesday. Alright? Don't forget, like, share, and subscribe. Hit that notification button and support my channel. Buy my merch, right?